The future is bright at AAPEX. Thanks to all your hard work, the future of the aftermarket is here. More cars are putting on more miles, complex electronics are diversifying the types of parts we see in vehicles, and hybrids are gaining popularity. AAPEX research says new products are the #1 reason why you come to this conference. So come get more answers at AAPEX. Joining me today is John Herc with Standard Motor Products. I have to ask, why is the automotive aftermarket future bright?
Great question. It's the core fundamentals that still remain the same. Vehicle and operations are approaching almost 300 million cars. The average mile driven per year is up to around 12,500. Average age of the vehicle is around 12 and a half years. As we see the new car manufacturers struggle to fill the lots, interest rates being high and cost of car high, that means the average consumer hangs on to their car longer. They drive it till the wheels fall off, and that's more service opportunities for us.
And it seems like a big battle we're seeing is between the internal combustion engine and EVs. But in the aftermarket, there's room for both. What would you say are the biggest aftermarket headlines?
Yeah, it's interesting question, but I would say the headlines are what's not in the headlines. If you go back 18 months ago, everything was an electric vehicle. It's going to be all electric, charging stations. People are signing deals. You would think by now every car on the road would be electric, but it's not true. What's risen to the occasion is the hybrid. So what you're seeing is all of the opportunities in an internal combustion engine coupled with a drive that's electric, gives you more cooling opportunities, gives you more repair opportunities to manage that battery and its high voltage electric system. So we see that as what are the headlines, what aren't the headlines. The electric car alone is not the headlines. It's about a mixed hybrid.
What does this mean for SMP?
It means opportunity. We have over 13 design and engineer centers. We find the same vehicle today when it comes out in a hybrid has multiple repair opportunities. So you have that conventional ICE engine that we have advanced electronics on, we have advanced internal combustion engine features on, and then it's coupled with a power drivetrain that's a battery and an electric motor. That tells me the same car has twice as many repair opportunities on it. We relish the opportunity of the technology because of those 13 design centers we have all over the world. So we welcome this technology shift and change because it spells more opportunity for the aftermarket.
A big thanks to SMP for sharing their perspective. You can get even more answers from even more companies at AAPEX this November in Las Vegas.